All right, let's break down some expert advice for navigating this kind of tricky market.
The market's near an all-time high, so the big question is, what's your next move?
So, what's actually powering this rally? Well, it all comes down to corporate earnings.
And experts think we're about to see another quarter of double-digit earnings growth.
If that happens, it'll be the sixth straight quarter of this kind of growth. Wow.
This just shows that even with all the economic noise, the fundamentals are still super strong. But it's not all smooth sailing. There are definitely some big risks on the horizon.
It really creates this core conflict. You've got strong earnings versus some serious economic headwinds.
Things like high oil prices and delayed rate cuts. They're all creating friction right now.
So, with all this tension in the market, where are the opportunities hiding?
JPMorgan's take? This rally is a gift, a great chance to reposition your portfolio. And the strategy is actually pretty interesting. Lean into the sectors that have been left behind. Think financials, healthcare, and even AI applications that aren't just big tech. For instance, just imagine how AI could get new drugs to market so much faster. Okay, let's switch gears and talk about an area getting some bad press: private credit.
So, what is it? Basically, it's direct lending to companies from non-bank funds.
Lately, headlines about funds gating or restricting withdrawals have spooked a lot of people. But here's the counterintuitive take. These gates are actually a good thing. They stop a bank run. Yeah, they're designed to help managers avoid forced selling into a down market. It's about protection. And this creates a fascinating split. You've got short-term fear versus long-term patience.
Look, it's not about smarter money. It's really all about patient money.
Because that fear from some investors, it can create discounts for those with patient capital. So, after all that, what's the big takeaway here?
The market's strong, but look for gems in unloved sectors. And sometimes, fear creates opportunity.
It leaves you with a question, right? In a pricey market, is the biggest opportunity hiding in plain sight?